Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale trading bots with 3Commas, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start scaling trading bots with 3Commas, you first need to create an account on the 3Commas platform. Visit the official 3Commas website and sign up using your email address. Confirm your email to activate your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard for an overview of your options. Select the My Bots tab to view any existing bots you may have. If you haven't created a bot yet, click on the Create a Bot button to initiate the process. Choose your trading strategy based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. The platform offers options like long, short, or grid trading strategies. After selecting a strategy, configure the bot settings according to your preferences. Set your desired trading pair, like BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT. Input the amount you want to invest per trade. Adjust the take profit and stop loss parameters to manage your risk effectively. Next, consider enabling the dollar cost averaging feature for a smoother entry. Review all settings to ensure they align with your trading vision. Once satisfied, click the Save button to create your bot. Now it's crucial to monitor the performance of your trading bot. Check the dashboard regularly for performance metrics. Based on performance, you might want to tweak settings or even duplicate your bot for multiple trades. To scale your trading strategy, you can increase the initial investment amount gradually. Consider using the Smart Trade feature for more advanced control over individual trades. As you gain experience, experiment with different strategies to see what works best for you. Always remember to practice risk management to protect your capital. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your trading bots using 3Commas. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.